Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can save JPG as PDF in a very easy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. Just right click, click print. Here you just select Microsoft Print to PDF. Here you can select the size, full, this size or this one. I select full page photo. Here you can select A4 later tabloid. I select A4. Just click print. Select the location, for example, desktop, name it JPG to PDF. Save. Okay, you see JPG to PDF. Double click on it. That is the JPG. Change it to PDF. Have a nice time.